Yeah, so this morning I just used the brown spray paint because I want to make it the same, exactly the same one, just like the black air conditioner. But I trying to find the black spray paint, but I couldn't find it. So I decided to use the brown spray paint instead. Yeah. Yeah, it's I guess it's looking good now. Oh my, the course is damn, the course is really hot. It blows really hot air, and the compressor of the accumulator is sweating too. It blows very cold air. Yep, that's too hot. Yep, it looks really good.